Hello everyone, it's PencilDog here, and today we're going to draw a flamingo. Yes. And we're going to start with the number 7. So I'm going to draw a 7 right now. That's going to be the neck of the flamingo. And then I'm going to draw a tipped down D shape, almost like a slice of watermelon, if you can imagine that. And then I'm going to outline the 7 to make the neck of the bird. And I'm going to add a little bit of a curve there from the beak to the back of the neck, and that'll start to show in just a second. I'm going to draw a line to create the beak, and then I'm going to draw a little circle for the eye, and I'm going to put a dot in that eye for the pupil. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a mouth and curl it up into a little smile. And then I'm going to draw another D shape for the wing of the bird. And then I'm going to add some tail feathers, just little lines for tail feathers, just to indicate the bird's tail feathers. And then I'm going to draw the number 4 that you can see here for the legs of the flamingo. I'm going to draw that 4 there. And then I'm going to add some toes to the flamingo. And I'm a little bit off camera here, so I'll adjust that in just a second. There we go. And I'm going to add 2 more toes, or upside down V shape for the toes there. And I think I'm going to add some lines for texture on the wing, just for some design. And there you have it. There's your flamingo. Thanks. Give me a like.